Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you an easy way how you could stop or turn off Windows updates. To do that, press the Windows sign on your keyboard and type services, or simply go to the search tab and type services. Once you see this application for services on the left or on the right, click on any, and this will open the services tab. Here we'll just click on the top and start pressing the key on the keyboard, the button W or the letter W. Keep pressing until you reach Windows Updates. Once you have reached Windows Update, leave the indicator on it and click 2 times with the right button of the mouse. This window will pop up, and then what you want to do, you want to choose what start type you want to have. If you want to disable it completely, you want to select disable and you want to click apply and you want to click OK. If you want simply just to turn it to manual, which means that only once you go to your settings and you click on search update. So if you choose manual, you will always to come back to settings, click check for updates, and only then the update search will be performed. If you want that, you can select manual, again apply, and then OK. And then what you will need to do, you will need to restart your computer. So disable it forever until you come back and you set it back to automatic or manual. And manual leaves you the option that you perform the updates when you want by just going to settings and clicking check for updates. So choose which one suits you, click apply, and then click OK. If you see service status still running, you can always click stop, and this should stop it. To restart it again, just click on start. Now we'll click OK and perform the starting. If you still want to enable back after a certain period, 1 day, 1 week, you want to enable back the updates, then go back or revert what we have done and select either automatic delayed, automatic. This will allow Windows to search for updates automatically and install them. Otherwise, if you select manual, then you will have to go, once you click apply, okay, you will have then to go to settings and click check for updates. And Windows will check for updates through your internet. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.